let's say that you have a house worth $1 million and you have a $500,000 mortgage left on that property. Now, if you just make the monthly repayments over the next 10 years, that $500,000 mortgage will only come down to around $420,000 in 10 years' time. All of that hard work for only $80,000 worth of benefit. But there's a better way, and it just needs a bit of a mindset shift. What we would do is we would take the $400,000 of available equity in that current property, and we'd use that to put 2 deposit and costs down on 2 investment properties. Let's say, round numbers, they're $600,000 each. By holding those 2 properties worth a collective $1.2 million for 10 years, they grow to $2.4 million, assuming they're well chosen. By selling those properties in 10 years and covering the sale costs, you'll be left with around 700 grand. Use that 700,000 to pay out the $500,000 remaining on the mortgage, and you've got a couple of $100,000 left to pat yourself on the back for doing something great. So in order to be able to execute this strategy though, there are 5 key steps that you must understand, and that's what I'm going to take you through now. Sit right through to the end, because there's one key thing that you need to do to be able to apply these key steps to your individual scenario so you can be debt-free in 10 years, not 30.